I'm Dan Abrams, and we are on patrol live with 8 departments around the country, including the Richland County Sheriff's Department in South Carolina, where Captain Danny Brown and Master Deputy Addie Perez are in pursuit of a fleeing motorcycle.
We have a few units chasing a few dirt bikes. I believe they got 1 or 2 at this point. They popped around right now, and they're coming towards me and Captain Brown, so we're going to catch up on them and intercept them.
They've made it around to where they're coming back towards us now. So we're going to try to get up ahead of them and just see if we can help them get these guys stopped. We're not going to be able to spike strip them because they're bikes. They've got one guy they're chasing now. But there's a neighborhood up here that we've been having issues with the dirt bikes. That's probably where he's headed to. And if we can get to that neighborhood, maybe we can get him caught. We steadied up a little bit because they're coming straight towards us now on this side road.
Coming up on North Brickyard, speed still about 46, light traffic.
Trying to be smart about it and safe about it if we can get them to see all these lights. Maybe they'll go end up stopping.
Speed about 46, still first.
More part about
we're still on hard scramble.
Knowing your area.
40.
They're probably headed straight this way now. They're just about half mile from us, it sounds like.
Your incident has been updated.
Alright, we're going to do the red light. Pass us along. Continue on down Farrell.
We're going to get out here and just pretend that we've got this intersection.
Your incident has been updated.
Alright, we're at Farrell on Hardscrabble. Should be coming from our right here.
Alright, tempo recompensating.
See which way to go.
He's about 53. Coming up on Flower Street, just past it, coming up on Everett Street. Texting, so he's probably trying to find somewhere to bail or get picked up. So wherever we end, we need a good perimeter. Alright, probably Mike, white shirt. Coming up on Farrell. Probably Mike, white shirt, black pants, white shoes.
Going outbound Farrell. He's gonna come this way. Almost guarantee he's gonna come this way. I'm just gonna see if I can sit here and make him think that we got spikes out.
Alright, who's behind 303 Culver?
So we're right now behind the individual that's on the dirt bike, and we're trying to intercept it right now.
Head towards killing you.
We just cut up to the suspect. He's right up there in a white shirt.
High traffic, speed about 60.
You can barely see the dirt bike. It's actually no lights on it. It's going towards Clemson.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay back here on Hartsboro. He's trying to get back here for some reason.
Yeah, he's hard to see right now. We made it right on Longtown.
Right on.
Longtown Road, right on Longtown Road.
Right on Longtown Road. Speed about 65.
You still got him.
Do I have a command on the shift?
I can call it for you.
Please be advised.
He's just still on Longtown Road.
Attack 1 is 10-0. Attack 1 is 10-0 at 6400
That's
Bluff
Road.
Road. That's 6400 Bluff Road. Richard 915 is in 10-0.
If there's command on the shift, let me know when you get in front.
Moving.
Alright, he's right there. 303, he's calling it. Clemson past the elementary school again. He's on the wrong side of traffic. Clemson coming up to Winslow Way. Alright, you see the Camaro, 303, and whoever's in third. Everybody else just parallel. He's going in circles around here, so I just need everybody to just get good intersection points and hold those intersections for me, please.
Danny, I'm behind
And
it.
K9, when you catch up, you can join.
Clothing description: white t-shirt, black helmet, long dreads, black jeans, dark jeans with white sneakers.
10-4. Coming up to hard scrabble now. 10-12 for direction. Outbound hard scrabble. Outbound hard scrabble.
Still hard scrabble. Still hard scrabble.
I'm calling it. I got you. Hard scrabble passing the Sonic outbound.
Careful here. Eddie, hold on.
Going straight through to toward police.
1050, 1050, 1050. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
Magolian Hall Road and hard scrabble. Magolian Hall Scrabble. 1050.
Break, break, break. Central, send a 52, send a 52. The suspect just hit the vehicle. It's gonna be on Elders Pond Drive, Hard Scrabble Road. It's gonna be lacerations on the left arm. Don't move.
Hard scrabble in Magnolia Hall.
Hard scrabble and hard drive. 1050. 303.
Can I just go on people? No.
350. Go to Furnace Channel right now. We're signal 18.
Can you get somebody? I don't need anybody else here.
Anybody else here? I don't need anybody else here.
Don't move.
We're 69 one time. Get highway and route. And
Do you have anything else on you?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Why are you running like that? You act like you're not getting into an accident.
No.
What? You don't think about yourself? You don't not. No, you do not think about yourself. Are you crazy? Look what you just did to yourself. Do not move. Do not move. Because at this point in time, it's time to take care of you.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand? We're not doing all this.
Give me EMS.
Right now, I need you to just chill out and stop moving. Because now we got to take care of what just happened to you. Okay? Just relax.
Can I please just call my
Right
brother,
now,
please?
we need to do this first.
Can I
We need
please
to
just
just
call my
wait.
brother?
We will in a second. We just need to do this first. All right? Just relax. Are you feeling dizzy or anything like that right
No,
now?
ma'am, I'm good.
Tell me the truth.
I promise you I'm good.
You need to tell me the truth.
I promise you I'm good.
Did
Can
you hit your head?
No, ma'am. Can I just call my brother?
Okay, we will in a second. Just hold on.
Region 6 unit and
Just lean back.
Did y'all come out here?
Just lean. Don't move.
I can't lean back.
Okay, so don't move. Don't move. Relax.
Oh.
Relax. Just don't move.
So 303. Let EMS know there's going to be 2 ambulances needed. We got a approximate 2-year-old
Wow.
Foxtrot.
Welcome to On Patrol Live. We've got more than 50 cameras across the country following law enforcement in real time. Joining me in the studio, formerly of the Tulsa Police Department, Sergeant Sean Sticks Larkin, and from the Richland County Sheriff's Department, which we've been watching, Deputy Curtis Wilson. Let's go right back out to Master Deputy Addie Perez, who is tending to that guy who just took a big hit out there.
You're not scared. You're doing it on purpose. Yeah. And look where it ended up.
Don't move
Lucky
your
you're
arm.
not dead.
You're right.
Yeah.
You said you're scared about police, getting hurt and getting killed, but you're the one who almost killed yourself.
Was it okay if I stop? What's the issue? Yeah, where the baby at, baby?
It's on your pants. Stop moving your arm. You need to stop moving your arm. You doing all that movement is not. Just lay your arm down. Just lay your arm down. All right. I know. I'm just trying to hold you up so you don't hit your head on the ground right now.
Scoot to my back tire. Scoot to my back tire, man.
I'm good.
I know. We're gonna help you out. Relax.
Richland 303. Also get me next 51 rotation. Pull on a green dirt bike, please. Let them know it's a green dirt bike. So they know what to bring.
Just put your arms. Just put your arm down.
Can you pull that?
Pull what?
My finger. No.
No, you crazy?
No.
You done lost your mind. Thinking we're gonna start pulling and popping right now. Dude, don't do that. Like, you're doing too much. You're doing too much. Just chill out. We got an ambulance on the way to check you out.
That was quite an incident there, and again shows why police have to be very careful in pursuing a motorcycle, dirt bike, etc. And in your department, they tend to show great care in that.
Absolutely, and you know, sometimes they do call them off because of that fact. And as you know, in the state of South Carolina, there's no helmet law, but if you're 21 and older, younger, then you have to have one. But 21 and over, no law.
Yeah, you know, the pursuit policies vary from department to department, even within the same state. Places like Tulsa, we will not chase anybody on a motorcycle any longer unless we know it's a felony. And even then, it's still evaluated. Is it a violent felony? Is it, you know, is it a larceny, or is this guy wanted for robbery because of the danger for the suspect, actually?
Yeah, and also danger for other people involved there. There may have been some injuries in the car as well, which we will continue to cover throughout this program.